Welcome to Hannah's at Home. I'm Hannah, and we're gonna be making slime today for Make Something Mondays, using things that you can find at your home. All right, so the list of ingredients that we need for our slime recipe today are school glue, baking soda, we're gonna use contact lens solution, food coloring, and some sparkles. Grab from your kitchen a bowl, spoon, and then some measuring cups and measuring spoons as well. Let's get started. Okay, so our first step is measuring out a 1/4 cup of glue and a teaspoon of baking soda. Once you've measured those things out, you're gonna add them. I'm just gonna use my finger. Add them to your big bowl. And stir. We're just gonna keep stirring, making sure we get all of those clumps and bumps of the baking soda out. And this is my puppy, Bowie, who is very interested in slime. Once it's all mixed up together, you have a big decision, which is to decide what color you want to add for your slime. I'm thinking of some purple. You're gonna add 1, 2 drops to start. Oh, got a third. And stir. And we're just gonna keep stirring, being a detective and finding all of those white spots, all of the white glue, making sure our color gets to it. Once that's all stirred up, looking good, then we're gonna add our contact lens solution. So this is our activator. To start, just gonna measure out a teaspoon. Slowly adding that, and then mix. You can already see it's starting to come together. You're gonna start to use your muscles a little bit more in your arm too as you're mixing it together. And I'm just gonna add a little bit more. So I'm adding like 1/2 teaspoon more, just because it still looks a little bit sticky to my spoon. Then you can start mixing it with your hand. This is a little bit messy, so it might stick to your hand a little bit, but you can gently take your slime and move it along your hands to collect all of the slime bits. And most important for slime recipe are sparkles. I'm gonna add some silver, just gentle shake, and then you can mix it in. If you need more contact lens solution, you can totally add that. This is your slime recipe. You can change the color if you want to, whatever you want, and then just play with it. I find the more that you play with it in your hand, the better slime it is. And you can stretch, stretch, stretch it. You can make bubbles. And that's it. Ta-da! Thanks for watching our first episode of Hannah's at Home. Be sure to tune in tomorrow for Toonie Tuesdays with Hannah. And enjoy your slime.